now that you said that, okay, so Sandara Park we're gonna be checking out first. As OG K-pop fan, Blackjack, you already know I have to check this out. It's called Festival. Now, from what I'm told, this is a sample from Jung Hwa's Festival, which let's check it out first. I'm gonna check out this legendary singer right here. So they sampled it from this. Okay. I was very happy. I actually never heard this song. This is the first time I'm watching it. Oh, she was iconic. Let's check out Sandara Festival. Know her from 2NE1. Most might know her from her work in the Philippines. She was really big in the Philippines. She just now dropped a festival on Dara TV. It's been 15 hours. Let's check it out, shall we? Is the audio okay, chat? I'm live on stream, by the way. This is probably gonna go up on YouTube. Oh, like a carnival almost, or a theater? Huh. Are those lollipop heads? Ooh. Hi. She's so cute. She's always so good, like so pretty. She's so, oh my god. Bro, it feels like she debuted, like legit. This is a rookie. This is a rookie solo debut. Real talk. Bro, why did she's so adorable. Oh. I won't hide anymore behind the dark days. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Let's go, Dara. I keep on forgetting how tiny she is too. Ooh, that was iconic. Okay, outfit. Birthday. Bro, I'm like literally happy vibes. Oh, she's adorable. Damn. Not these lollipop heads. Oh, what's on her shirt? I can't see. Who's she wearing? Festival. Hair. Oh, I wonder if she's ever gonna do like the palm tree, or is she over it? The palm tree hair, I mean. Oh, okay. Even the dancers, especially the one like in the right middle, or this one with his smile. Oh, okay, Angel. Dang, how someone, she looks so good in every hairstyle. Real talk. Oh shit! Legit, legit. Oh, that's so dope. Oh, they're together. That's fire. Kind of like a co-signing. The original artist, like from Festival, and then with Star. I kind of want this more often. I mean, the last time, I'll talk about this later actually. Like more, we need more guest appearances. Ooh, damn, that set is kind of crazy. But my guess, the way they did this is that maybe this part is any of this real? It's good seeing her back, like with a new single, new music video, full production. It's pretty fire to see. I want more. I really do want more for her too. But this is cool. I was gonna say I would love to have more like special guests. Like, you know how like Jesse brought out Lee Hyori. I like that. I like that. It's a nice surprise. Thank you to the chat for telling me where this was sampled, because I actually didn't know her song festival. I don't know how if you pronounce it Jeonghwa. I think that's correct. You correct me if I'm wrong, but I actually did not know about her song festival until you guys showed me, and then now I see the correlate, the sample, and then of course they bring her out, which is even way more badass. She looks 20. Who? Dara? Bro. That one scene in the clouds reminded me a bit of Katy Perry's California Girls a bit. Katy Perry who? That's what I'm saying. She looks so good. What the hell? She legit looks like she's 20. Early 20s. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Oh, you're so cute though. Damn, that is a lot of hair clips. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, dang, but it looks good. Even the makeup's on point, damn. It kind of reminds me of like a low-key of an anime intro. I don't know. It also fits like the background of all the clouds in the background that you guys see. It fits the vibes. Basically a very good, feel-good like summer song. That's cool.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.